afternoon, glad to see you here again with you, Yaroslav Shvets. Welcome to our experimental kitchen. Well, we will cook zucchini today. It's actually a lot of different type of zucchini, and it's many ways how to cook it. So basically, you can boil it, but it tastes so. At least you add some spices. You can boil it with other vegetables, make quite nice soup. You can fry it, but in this case it will be not that healthy, let's say, yeah, because the oils is good until it's raw. Same fruits is good until you get it natural, but when you cooked it, everything is changed dramatically. So I'll show you the few ways. We will put it in an oven raw. Well, if you add a little bit to the salad, you can eat it raw. For the raw foodies, whatever. But main idea of the video, doesn't matter what you have. You have a pumpkin, you can cook a lot of stuff from a pumpkin. Have zucchini, great. You have just a carrot or potato, sweet potato. Potato not a good thing to eat. Purple one or red one with the complex carbs. Okay, we will be quick as possible. So basically you can just make tiny pieces. You can slice it on the cubes or keep it round or whatever else. We'll put it on a foil, and we can use a little bit of salt. I have a sea salt, natural one, and I think the best one for the minerals is Himalaya pink salt. But unfortunately, it's a lot of fake products where you can buy only colorized salt. So basically, this salt is not salty like a normal one, but it's healthier one. So you can put just a little bit on top, write it around, and so on. Also, it depends what type of zucchini you have, because some is a little bit of bitter, so you can put a bigger piece of salt, and after you take it off, pepper, whatever. So you can use any spices you want. We will put in the oven for, this will cook in 5 minutes, but until it get hot, maybe we will need like 15 minutes. 120 degrees Celsius will be enough. Another way, same like we done on some of the previous video, we done the fake chicken wings. So if you're a vegetarian, use eggs or milk. Today we'll use a corn milk, or you can use a soy milk or whatever. Just a little bit sodium bicarbonate, I put it everywhere. A little bit pepper. You can use some other spices, really up to you. Himalaya salt and flour, natural flour. Basically, it's old buckwheat mixed flour. So all the really same principle, nothing new. If you have like some kind of maybe you have a coconut chips, you can add it, or maybe flour from almond nuts, whatever. You can add the seeds. I just love the sesame seeds. It's perfect source of calcium. So I just add a little bit everywhere. So we'll mix it up, and another slices we will cut. We put it in, we put it on a foil, and put it directly in the oven. So basically, you can cook zucchini with the salt, spices, pepper, chili, whatever. Yeah, need to add a little bit chili. Or you can make it sweet. So let's say you can cook it natural, and then you will add a little bit of jam or honey. I prefer the honey, like most natural one, if you can find the natural food somewhere. Also, you can use some fruits, let's say bananas or mango, or I don't know, whatever you have outside. You can got it. It's a little bit solid, but we can manage it. Not a big deal. So it should be like more creamy style, not too solid, and not like the water. So we can put it in put it on the foil, cook it, so it will give like completely different flavor. So we can use it differently. Okay. I just keep it round, I don't know. I just lazy to cut, so I'll make it really simple. Alright, simple. We put it in, yeah, wash everything before. Okay, I think we need to put a little bit more. Okay, so it's have, look something like that. A little bit inaccurate, that should be fine. What the main cause of cook such food, it's super quick. Super quick, you look what you have. Okay, you have nothing, only carrots. Okay, then you cook the carrots. Pumpkin, I think you can eat pumpkin like literally with everything. Some type of the radish, like a hot radish as well. So, okay, we almost done. So third one, how you can cook it. If you will fry it, of course, it will taste much better. It's more like Ukrainian or Belarus or Russian style. You can use the shredder, so the pieces will be really tiny. But still, I will use the oven because it will be a little bit more healthy, let's say. Okay, something like that. If it's a demonstration, I try to be quick as possible. So, the third one, we will make a kind of pancakes. So first of all, we put the zucchini through the shredder. So same, you can make it sweet, you can make it salty, really up to you. Okay, just for the demonstration. So, you can make like tiny pancakes, put it on the foil, and then cooked it, so it will be like a little bit stick together. That's it. Additionally, you can use the same sauce, and you can make your pancakes, put it in, put it in foil, put it in oven, and that's it. So basically on everything you will spend at least 15 minutes, I guess, and it's done. Super simple. So stay tuned, later I'll share more cooking stuff with you, something more creative, let's say.